Hello, my name is Tom Caldwell and welcome to my channel. On this channel, you will learn how to make money online and in the process, save yourself thousands of dollars and hundreds of hours wasted trying to figure out how to make money on your own. So let's get started. Today's video is entitled, The Only Two Tools You Will Need to Make Money Online. And here's our table of contents. First off, I will cover the number one tool you'll need, which is a page builder. And our second tool, which, look, I made a mistake right here. It should say tool number two. And our tool number two is an email marketing system, often referred to as an autoresponder. I have two bonuses that I provide whenever you choose to use our page builder. And we'll go over those bonus number one and number two. And then as we wrap up the video, we'll cover your next step that you need to do. Okay, right at this point, we're going to go to the funnel builder. I'm going to give you a demo and a review. Here we are in the funnel builder. You can see that this is a opt-in page for a free giveaway where I am building my email list, where I give away a free ebook entitled Success Through Positive Mental Attitude, written by Napoleon Hill and W. Clement Stone. Now I have another funnel also. Let's see, what am I doing wrong here? Here's my other funnel where I offer you a done for you business where all you have to do is fill in your contact information and download the 30-minute workday plan where you can start using my step-by-step method to earn money online. Okay, and this is a very simple funnel builder to use. Anyone can do it, and it comes with a full course of training videos that teach you how to use the funnel builder, how to create funnels, how to custom code, exit pop-ups, URL directs, the whole 9 yards right here. So it is really self-explanatory, and you can put it to use right away. Okay, let's go back to our slideshow. Okay, it should be there in just a moment. There we go. All right, our next slide is the funnel Q&A. The funnel costs $25 a month, and you get access to capture pages and thank you pages to start building your email list. You get a page builder. You get a membership site builder, which is very important. The membership site builder in and of itself would cost you several $100 a month if you used any other platform. And very importantly, for future use, whenever you build your membership site, you'll want a way to collect the monthly membership fee. So our fourth feature that you receive is a checkout and order builder. The fifth benefit is exclusive step-by-step training, which I already mentioned. And this is provided by a 7-figure marketer. And we have also, there is a exclusive affiliate program where you earn $20 a month on each sale that you refer, and doing so, you can your funnel builder will be paid, or rather, you will cover your cost of the $25 a month by simply referring 2 customers each month, or have 2 customers who uh, sign up for the funnel builder and get billed each month. So that way, when you refer 2 customers, you basically get your funnel builder for free, because you'll be earning $40 a month and you'll be paying $25 a month for your funnel builder. And the commissions on all customers that you refer to the funnel builder are paid out every Friday. And the funnel builder comes with a 3-day, 100%, no questions asked money back guarantee. So it is a unbeatable deal, and it compares with ClickFunnels, which costs you $100 a month if you're a individual marketer, and $297, I think, a month if you're a corporate marketer. So for $25 a month, this is the best deal that you'll ever find. Okay, let's go to the next slide here, if I can get it to go. There it is. And our second tool, and the tool that I recommend for building your email marketing list through an email management system, is GetResponse. And the reason why I recommend GetResponse is, let's see, let me go back. Let's go to GetResponse and we'll find out. Let's see, probably going to have to log out. Okay, this is their GetResponse's homepage, and GetResponse has several features that you will need to operate your online business where you make money. You'll need they provide email marketing solutions and management. They provide a landing page, marketing automation, and they have conversion funnels, but they're not that good. That's why I use the funnel builder that I suggest. And the price for GetResponse is, I recommend just starting out with the basic level for $15 a month, and you are able to build an email list of 1,000 subscribers. And whenever you get to that point, you'll be making enough money to go to the $49 payment plan, where you can have a much larger email list. And the good thing about it is you can start for free for 30 days and test out GetResponse and learn how it works and everything before you have to make your first payment. Okay, now we're going to go back to our slideshow. Next thing I want to talk about is the bonus tutorial number 1 that you get whenever you sign up for the funnel builder through my affiliate link. And a funnel builder, in this bonus, I will teach you how to get visitors to your funnel builder using a little known secret source. And I go into depth with that. I give you a step-by-step training on how to use this secret traffic source. And in bonus tutorial number 2, I teach you how to build an audience using this 30 minutes per day, where you can quit your job escape plan. Let me say that again. I didn't say that well. And bonus tutorial number 2, I will teach you how to build an audience using my special 30-minute per day quit your job escape plan. There you go. That's better. So the conclusion to this video is get your free guide that reveals how to do the following steps. Build a list of people you don't know. Build a relationship with those people. Deliver valuable information and content to those people in your audience. And how to market. You will learn how to market products and services that are related to your content. In addition, you will start to earn 80% commissions every time a customer buys. Now, what is your next step? Your next step is to download my step-by-step method, and you can do it at tomcaldwellonline.com/EP download. And you can get started today for free. And of course, I will include all of the links, this link in the description below this YouTube video. And I would love to hear from you. So if you have any questions or concerns, you can contact me via my website at tomcaldwellonline.com or my email address or on Facebook. And I will include these links in the description also. Also, here is my social media information, with my Facebook link and my Twitter link. And those will be in the description below as well. And that is the conclusion of this video. I hope you found value. And if you did, I sure would appreciate it if you give me a thumbs up, and make a comment, and subscribe to the channel and ring the notification bell. This helps more people see my training videos. Thanks a lot, and we'll see you on the next video.